What's up, guys? This is Manny Vill. I got a message. Someone asking me, how do you do it? How do you make a daily profit on the stock market? And I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and make a video and upload it. Maybe this video will help some of you guys trying to earn a profit on a daily basis. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using at the moment, what kind of studies, and what I'm actually looking at the charts. So far, I have my volume, my money flow index, my MACD, my TTM Squeeze, and on it, I actually added the momentum crossover. And I'm going from negative to positive. That kind of gives me also like a hint. So by looking at all this pretty much at once, it's kind of guiding me towards where it's trending. And that actually makes me a good profit. I'm going to go ahead and make this video real quick and kind of show you guys what I'm looking at. And I'm gonna use the on-demand training mode. That way you guys can get an idea. Let's go ahead and get it up and running. So pretty much the market is about to start. It's gotta be 6:30. So there you go, it's starting. So far what I'm seeing is that, I have a full bar here on the aftermarket, but my money flow index is telling me this is being overbought now. So that's pretty much should be a negative. So what I should do here is I should pretty much short sell. I know that a lot of people see this bar here and it says, oh, well, you closed pretty highly. I'm going to go for it and I'm going to buy. What I'm seeing here is, being overbought. And then, see, I'm starting to see negatives here. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to wait it up just a little bit. See where it's going to be heading towards. Now, it didn't close very high in here. I got a wick, so I got a wick since there's a sentiment of a neutrality, so you might be playing around here, but practically it's overbought, and it seems like it's almost heading down towards the bottom. So I think I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna short sell because it's gonna have to go down. I know this bar right here is, scares off a lot of people, but then again, it didn't close off right here, so I'm not really worried about. Now, if these two were being full, closing up on full, then I would be concerned, but they're not. So that means this is about to start kicking in. Okay, this is bending. Just trying to go under. My indicator is showing red. The TTM Squeeze. This is going down now. Now we got the bears coming in. I'm still red and this is still falling. We still have a negative volume. This seems to be still downtrending. I still have my negative here, and more likely what I'm planning to see is right here. You see how far it went down? That's pretty much where I'm gonna wait for this to fall. And once it falls down here, or a little bit up here, I'm gonna go ahead and sell out. but pretty much I got a good bearish. And then this is closing all the way in the bottom, so which is it's a positive move. It seems to be closing fairly all the way to the bottom. This is still trending down. Still have a bearish, but now I have a small little green dot. So that brings me a little bit of concern. Once it starts kicking into the green mode, I'm gonna go ahead and exit my position. Right here is where I have to make a decision where I need to exit my position. I think I'm gonna exit just a little bit more. I mean, some people would actually exit there. You know, you take a good profit, you take a good profit. You don't have to be greedy. I'm gonna go just a little bit lower. It's almost there. And I think I'm going to sell out now. And I'm gonna wait now. This could go a little bit lower, but I'd rather not risk it. You know, you already came here. You could drop even a little bit lower, but I won't take any risk. I'd rather be on the safe side. We still have a bearish. It's still dropping. But now, as you can see, now you're having a small loop trying to go upwards now. So this is a signal that it might be trending bullish now. And then I have a green and a green. It seems like a bullish signal. Looking at my MACD, it's also trying to go a little bit upwards now. So I think this is going to be a buying position now. See, it's going. So I'm going to go ahead and buy now. This is going into a bullish position now. And then another thing is that I noticed is that, you know, it went bearish, it went a full bar, bearish, full bar, bearish, almost a full bar, and now you have a wick and a wick, meaning there's a change of sentiment, meaning there is a neutral, meaning they went bearish and they're saying like, oh, you know, we don't know which way to go now. So it's a high possibility they're gonna start going uptrending now, which is bullish. And you see this right here, my money flow index, it's going bullish mode now. Same thing with the MACD. It's not continuing going bearish. It's trying to move bullish now. And then my TTM Squeeze, now I'm getting bullish signals now. So this is good. This is within the 25% closing, which is good. It's still bullish. And now this is going up in an uptrend now, meaning I'm gonna start going bullish. I know a lot of people get scared because they see the bars go down, they start turning red, they start panicking. You know, it's gonna start going bearish. You know, I'm gonna exit my position, then they lose a little bit of cash, or they lose plenty of cash. You know, it depends how many shares you buy. But however, if you follow all this right here, you follow the wicks, and then you follow your studies, you should be heading towards the right direction. So this is a good. This close all the way up here. This is a positive move still. So I'm gonna wait and see. This is a positive move, bullish. Positive move. Then I got an indicator, which is great to have. Then I'm having a positive move here too. and of course I'm having a positive bar. And this is even better now. I'm having a positive bullish on the MACD. Now don't let that redness scare you. Still being positive. Still a bullish here, bullish here, bullish. Now if this curves down, then this starts falling, this starts showing bearish signals, then you sell out. Till then, just wait for it. Now this is a little bit concerning here, because now it seems like it's a change of sentiment. You know, you got a big wick and a big wick. And this is pretty much like a neutral. You know, a lot of people would exit here because they're going into neutrality, so it means they're going to start going bearish soon. But as far as I'm concerned, I have a bullish signal here, bullish signal here. Pretty soon I'm going to start seeing positive, bluish positive movement here if this continues to go uptrend. So far the profit that I've gotten so far is right here. I'm still going bullish. Now, if this bar here would have went a little bit lower, maybe up to right there, I would have sold out. I would have sold out my position because this is a neutrality. But if this would have gone down here, then that would have given me a bad signal here, and bad signal here. But so far, it's showing me an uptrend, bullish. See, now I'm getting a really good bullish signal, really good bullish signal, really good bullish signal, and it's not in the oversold position yet. When you still have a pretty good uptrend. Now, if it starts turning greenish up here, then I might get a little bit concerned and then just sell off my position because I just don't want to risk. I'd rather be on the safe side. Now, this is, you know, let's see what's going on. Okay, so I have a seems like I closed off 25%. I think I should be good. I think I'm just gonna sell out now. Now, if this doesn't close all the way to the bottom, that means it's still gonna be a bullish signal. But we'll wait and see. So far so good. It's only been what, 11 minutes. So far it's 1,740 profit. Okay. Now this bar didn't close all the way down here. Now that would have brought me a concern, and I would have gone bearish. But it seems like we're still going bullish. But I sold on my position. I'd rather be on the safe side to see what's the next move. I want to see some good trendings now because now I'm high here, and this seems to be a little high. You know, you want to be on the safe side that it's not going to go bearish. But it seems to be going good. Have a good signal. It's going up a little higher. Good signal. Uptrend. Good signal. So far so good. if I get a red bar and it's a full bar downwards, I'll sell my position. Till then, I'm seeing some good positive bars. Or if I start seeing this downtrend a little bit, this line here downtrend, and this start giving me like a different type of dark blue signal, then I will sell out my position. So far, so good. Now, this is a little bit concerning because it didn't close all the way to the top. Now, I'm thinking he might go bearish, but let's wait and see. Okay, this one seems like it closed all the way to the top, so that gives me a signal that it's still going to be bullish. But now I'm having I'm getting a weak signal here. And this seems to be downtrending a little bit. If it continues, I'm gonna sell in my position. If not, I will continue. If that bar closes all the way to the bottom, I'm selling now. Till then, I'm gonna wait and see. Besides, you have a little bit of play. That profit money that you just made, you know, use it. Give yourself a little gap. You know, don't panic. And I'm selling my position now. And there you have it, guys. There you have it. That's pretty much the signals and the momentum of the volume, money flow index, MACD, TTM Squeeze, momentum crossover, and kind of get the basic on the bars itself. That alone will give you a good strategy to move forward on. If I would have continued, you know, still going bullish, I would have got a little bit more profit, but within, let's say, 16 minutes, 2,180. Well, guys, this is a small video clip. Hopefully this helps you guys out how to make a profit doing day trading during the day. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a message, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can.